In this video, you're going to learn how to subnet Class B IP addresses. Okay, before we get started, I do want to show you something. So we have 4 octets, and they range from 0 to 255 under each of them. When you're doing subnetting for classes other than Class C, it's important that you also account for the additional octet. So, for example, Class B, it's this one, 8, 16, 24. So this is Class B. So if you write 0 here, you still have to account for this. And so it's going to be 0, and then 0, and then the next one's going to be 1, and then 0, next one's going to be 2, 0, all the way down to 255. After that, then you round over and then you go to 1, and then just start back over. 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, all the way down to 1, and this is 255. So then it rolls over, and now it's 2, and then it's 0. So it's just important that you always account for this. Don't forget about this octet when you're solving for this one. And same for A. If you're solving for this one, don't forget about this one and this one. We'll talk about that when we do A. But I just wanted to point that out so that it won't get confusing when we start subnetting. Okay, here's the IP address we're going to subnet for. I'm going to walk you through first, and then we'll go with a more blank page. Okay, so the first thing is find the interesting octet. So I like to go, when I have the cedar, 8, 16, 24. This is closest to 16, so it's this one, because 24 is too much, it's over. So it's 16. Now we have to find our subnetting row. Subnetting row. So for 19, so we start counting from the default of 16. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's this one. All the answers are going to be here in this row. All right, next we got to find the block size, which is 32. And so we're going to write it out. But before we start writing out, I like to just label it so that I don't have to come back and do it later. So N for network, F for first, L for last, and B for broadcast. Okay, and now the block size is 32. So 0.0. And then the next one is 32. So 32.0. And then plus 32 is 64.0. Okay, that's enough. Now, where does 30 fall under? Which column does 30 fall under? So it actually falls under this first one. So we're going to solve for this one. And the next one is 32.0. So now we have everything we need to start solving. All right, so here we go. Broadcast is one less than the next, so it's 31. And then it's the last one, 255. And then last is one less than broadcast, so it's 31, 254. And then first is one more than network, so it's 0.1. So if we were going to talk about the range, it would be 190, 0.0 to 31.255. And so this IP address fits within here. So that's how it goes. So 30 is, in the bottom here somewhere. But I just wanted you to see it all laid out so you see what it looks like. We're going to write the answers here. All the numbers stay the same. All the octets stay the same except the interesting one and the one that follows. Okay, now we're ready to fill it in. So the network is 0.0. First is 0.1. Last is 31.254. And broadcast is 31.255. And then if you were going to do the subnet mask, the default for B is 255, 255. And then what do we fill in? Third octet is 224.0. And that's it. Let's go to another one so you can get more comfortable. Okay, so this is more typically what would look like on exam day. Let's start from the beginning. Find the interesting octet. So 8, 16, 24. 24 is too much, so it's this one. Next, we have to find our row. So default is 16, so start counting. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, and now the block size is 4, but before we start doing the block size, let's label it. So N for network, F for first, L for last, and B for broadcast. And we're counting in groups of 4. So you can go 0, 0.0, 4.0 plus 4 is 8.0 plus 4 is 12.0. Okay, under which column does 10 belong? It belongs in this column. So we just got to solve for this one and note the next one. So let's start. Broadcast is one less than the next. So it's 11.255. And then one less, 11.254. And then 8, 1. And there you have it. So let's pretend they asked us for the last one. So now all you have to do is just repeat the numbers up top, except for the interesting octet. 2, 2, 1. And the last one be 11.254. And then let's just do the subnet mask. The default subnet mask for B is 255. 255, and now we do interesting octet, which is 252, and then 0. For this one, I would just write the subnetting mask directly underneath the IP address so that I don't get confused. And it's the first one without 255, which is this one. Next, we need to find our subnetting row, which is on the chart. So 192, we just find the subnet mask. So this one has everything we need to solve the question. Okay, and then we need the block size is 64. Before we start writing the block size, let's label it. N for network, F for Frank first, L for last, and B for broadcast. All right, and we'll start counting in blocks of 64. So that would be 0.0, 64.0, 128.0. Okay, we can stop. So under which column does 105 belong? Belongs to this one. So let's solve for this one and note the next one. So let's start. 1 less than 128 is 127. And then the last number would be 255. 1 less is 127 and 254. And then one more is 64.1. And there you have it. So if they asked us for the first one, this is what we would write. 172.98.64.1. That is the first usable IP address. And if we're going to write the subnet mask, it's already here. So we can find the seeder. So all you have to do is just count down from the default. So let's see, 16, 17, 18. And it's a /18. All right, I hope you got that. Let's move on to subnetting class A.